Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu and you are watching Inside Lab. In this video, we are discussing question number 15. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all the solutions at your WhatsApp within a day. If you need answer of these questions, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is showing on your screen in the right corner below, and 9009368223. Kindly note this number of this for future purposes and. If you need answer of this question, so you can contact us without any hesitation. So question number 15 is show using the pigeonhole principle, and that in any group of 30 people, 5 people can always be found who were born on the same day of the week. So this question number 15 is saying that without of the using the pigeonhole principle. So if you need answer of this question, so contact us on this number by message or call, which is suitable for you. So thank you so much for watching this video. We will meet you soon in the next video. Thank you.